Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the site safe. Turn off the main breaker and isolate the utility feed. Use lockout/tagout. Next, confirm the inverter's AC output voltage and grounding method so you match the panel. Route DC battery cables to the inverter and run AC conduit into the electric board. Once done, secure cable glands and keep positive and negative DC cables separate. Make sure to use correct gauge wire and fuse or breaker at the battery to protect the DC feed. You now wire the inverter output into the panel. Install a dedicated breaker or automatic transfer switch size to the inverter. Connect the inverter AC output conductors to that breaker, ensuring phase orientation matches the panel bus. Once connected, attach the neutral and ground according to the inverter manual and local code, and torque terminals to specified values. Make sure to separate inverter-supplied circuits from critical loads if needed, and label the breaker clearly so anyone servicing the board. You finish with systematic checks. Confirm all connections are tight, no neutral ground bonds were introduced, and proper fusing is installed. Re-enable the utility feed only after verifying isolation devices and testing transfer operation manually. Start the inverter and observe voltage and frequency under a small load, then test automatic transfer with a simulated outage. If anything goes wrong, shut down immediately. Check polarity. Inspect fuses and breaker ratings, verify grounding continuity, and then retest after correcting the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.